Let's play a little game. I'll read you a random bit of computer code and you try to guess the language. Be honest and comment below how many seconds it took you. Winner gets a cookie. Winner also gets to write more code tomorrow at their job. Congrats. Dynamic thread pool. Dynamic thread. Dynamic thread. Dynamic thread pool pool. 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 THD. grpcpp dynamic pool. Comma void the. Static cast. Dynamic thread pool. Dynamic thread. Comma thread func. Comma. This. THD dart start. Dynamic thread pool. Dynamic thread. Dynamic thread. THD dart join. Void dynamic thread pool. Dynamic thread. Thread func. Pool comma thread func. std. Unique lock. std. mutex. Lock. Pool comma mu. Pool comma threads. Pool comma dead threads dot push back. This. If. Pool comma shutdown. And. Pool comma threads equals 0. Pool comma shutdown cv dot notify 1. Void dynamic thread pool. Thread func. 4. std. Unique lock. std. mutex. Lock. Mu. If shutdown and callbacks dot empty. If. Threads waiting. Equals reserve threads. Break. Threads waiting plus plus. cv dot wait. Lock. Threads waiting. If callbacks dot empty. Auto cb equals callbacks dot front. Callbacks dot pop. Lock unlock. cb. Else if. Shutdown. Break. Dynamic thread pool. Dynamic thread pool. Int reserve threads. Shutdown. False. Reserve threads. Reserve threads. Threads. 0. Threads waiting. 0. 4. Int I equals 0. I. Reserve threads. I plus plus. std. Lock guard. std. mutex. Lock. Mu. Threads plus plus. New dynamic thread. This. Void dynamic thread pool. Reap threads. std. List. Dynamic thread. List. 4. Auto t equals list. Begin. T equals list. End. T equals list. Erase. T. Delete t. Dynamic thread pool. Dynamic thread pool. std. Unique lock. std. mutex. Lock. Mu. Shutdown equals true. cv dot notify all. While. Threads equals 0. Shutdown cv dot wait. Lock. Reap threads. And dead threads. Void dynamic thread pool. Add. Const std. Function. Void. And callback. std. Lock guard. std. mutex. Lock. Mu. Callbacks dot push. Callback. If. Threads waiting equals 0. Threads plus plus. New dynamic thread. This. Else. cv dot notify 1. If dead threads dot empty. Reap threads. And dead threads. If. Threads waiting equals 0. Kick off a new thread. Threads plus plus. New dynamic thread. This. Else. cv dot notify 1. Also use this chance to harvest dead threads. If dead threads dot empty. Reap threads. And dead threads. Namespace grpc.